America's not being torn apart by bombs or foreign enemies. It's being ripped at the seams by red versus blue, left versus right, Democrat versus Republican. The question isn't if politics are ruining America, it's how fast. We're more divided than ever. Families can't talk, friendships are dying over Facebook posts, meanwhile politicians are getting richer, while you argue with strangers online. Let's break down the chaos, and expose the ugly truth. Politics isn't just ruining America, it's hijacking your mind. People don't vote anymore, they worship. The left worships progress, equity, and climate. The right worships tradition, freedom, and patriotism. And both sides, they demonize the other like they're evil incarnate. You're not a neighbor anymore. You're either a woke snowflake or a racist fascist. This isn't healthy debate, it's cult warfare. Here's the savage truth. The more we hate each other, the more powerful they become. Left wing or right wing, they all fly on the same corrupt bird. Power, money, and media control. While you're fighting your cousin over gender pronouns or gun rights, they're cashing $200,000 checks from lobbyists. Your rage is their revenue. Your fear is their fuel. Scroll, react, rage, repeat. Algorithms reward outrage, not understanding. TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, you're not having political opinions. You're being fed them like junk food. Your timeline is a weapon. You're not informed. You're being radicalized by design. Ask yourself, when's the last time you had a civil conversation about politics? Not a fight, not a meme war, a real conversation. Exactly. We used to be one nation under God. Now it's two nations under surveillance. We've lost the middle. And without the middle, you don't have democracy. You have war without bullets. For now, unfollow the circus. Stop letting politicians live rent-free in your head. Start thinking like a human again, not a hashtag. Here's what you do. Turn off the 24/7 political news. They're entertainers, not journalists. Question both sides, not just the one you don't like. Get your damn values from your own life, not Twitter. They want us divided because united, we'd realize they're the real enemy. Politics isn't just ruining America, it's making you forget what it means to be American. This isn't about red or blue anymore, it's about waking up before it's too late. If you're tired of the lies, the division, and the political BS, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with one thing America needs to fix today. Let's start something real, not political. Savage truth only.